For the first time, it actually looks like Apple's foldable iPhone is no longer just a concept or rumor. A video shared by Majin Bu on X shows what appears to be a real working unit, not a dummy and not a mock-up. And the craziest part, it's actually turning on. Right at startup, the Apple logo lights up on the display, which immediately sets this apart from the usual fake foldable shells we've seen in the past. This isn't just hardware. This looks like a device running, responding, and existing as a functional product. Watching the video closely, the folding mechanism looks smooth and natural. There's no stiffness and no signs of it being a hollow prototype. Everything about it gives off the vibe of something that's already deep into testing. And that raises a serious question: how far along is Apple with this? Apple has always taken its time entering new categories, but when it finally steps in, it doesn't just follow trends, it reshapes them. If this leak is legit, it could mean Apple has been quietly developing its foldable for years, waiting for the right moment. Up until now, companies like Samsung have dominated the foldable space, but Apple entering this market isn't just competition, it's disruption. Because Apple doesn't release half-finished products. If this is even close to a final stage prototype, then there's a strong chance Apple is preparing something far more refined, more optimized, and more polished than what we've seen so far. For now, it's just a leak, but it's the kind of leak that feels like a preview of the future. And if this turns out to be real, the next iPhone won't just be an upgrade. It might redefine the entire category. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. The first look has finally arrived, and it doesn't come across as loud or overly dramatic. Instead, it feels like one of those quiet moments where everything just clicks and you realize this could actually matter. According to recent insights from Majin Bu, a new leak may have offered an early glimpse at Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone, and honestly, there's already something subtly different about it. At first glance, it holds on to that familiar Apple simplicity: clean lines, a minimal aesthetic, nothing unnecessary. But the folding design introduces a layer of curiosity that slowly draws you in. The metallic finish appears refined, while the hinge looks solid, suggesting this device isn't only about appearance. It's built for durability as well. The camera setup sits naturally on the back without trying too hard to stand out. When folded, it feels compact and comfortable, almost like a standard smartphone. Open it up and it transforms into a more immersive experience, but still controlled, never overwhelming. What truly stands out is how natural everything feels. It doesn't come across as an experiment or a concept device. Instead, it feels intentional, something carefully crafted. And if this design is close to the final version, it may not need to prove anything at all. It could simply feel right from the very beginning. Based on current reports, Apple's first foldable device could launch this September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max models. A recent report from The Bell suggests the iPhone Fold may feature 12 GB of RAM, matching what's expected from Apple's Pro lineup. Interestingly, Samsung is rumored to be supplying the 12 GB LPD DR5X memory for this device, adding another layer to the story. When it comes to storage, well-known leaker Instant Digital claims the foldable iPhone could arrive in 3 variants: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Instant Digital also hinted at possible pricing in the Chinese market, listing the device at 15,999 yuan, 17,909 yuan, and 19,999 yuan, depending on the storage option. When adjusted and compared with Apple's usual pricing strategy, analysts suggest the global pricing could land around $1,999 for the 256GB model, approximately $2,199 for the 512GB version, and close to $2,399 for the 1TB variant. This represents a significant jump beyond Apple's current most expensive iPhone. However, it aligns almost perfectly with earlier expectations, which placed Apple's first foldable in the $2,000 to $2,400 range. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone Fold could easily become one of Apple's most ambitious and premium devices to date. So, the real question is simple. If Apple does release a foldable iPhone this fall, would you consider spending around $2,000 on it, or would you prefer sticking with a traditional iPhone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section.